In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to hide messages and app content from iPhone search. Let's get started. The built-in search on iOS is very powerful. It not only finds apps and files, but it can also search inside apps like messages and so specific conversations or keywords. While this can be helpful, some users may not want their personal content appearing in search results. To change this, launch settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option search. Inside, you'll see a list of all your apps. There is not a single master switch, so you'll need to adjust settings individually. For example, tap on messages and you'll see options like show app in search and show content in search. If you turn off show content in search, your messages won't appear when you search for keywords anymore, but the app itself will still show up. If you turn off show app in search as well, both the app and its content will be hidden from search results completely. Just repeat these for any apps you want and you will have full control over what appears when you search on your iPhone. So that's all for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.